Hey y'all, it's boy Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous Coffee. Today we're doing cup of floor. That is not how you spell floor. That's how you spell floor. What kind of floor? Like the floor that my feet are standing on, or like a floor of like an apartment complex, or say on my old job where there was 3 floors and different kitchens. Ugh, it's gritty, cold, like dust and old stone pressed on my tongue. My body feels low, flattened, like gravity just doubled. My skin's stiffening. Why does it feel like I'm becoming part of the ground? What the fuck you? Oh boy. I did not expect that. Apparently your name is Chicken Little? Like from the kids movie? I can briefly see it, but not to the fullest extent. Reminds me of the ASDF movie. I don't remember which one it was, but like it was the chicken that was just talking like gibberish or some shit. Anyways, that's the cup of floor. If you enjoy this episode, please stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye.